Go ahead.
So if we look at section C in the homework, I have a question. So I'm gonna annotate. How do I?
You can annotate. 1 minute. Can I just take the attendance quick?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. Kabir is here. Vidyut. Oh, Vidyut will not be here, I know. Okay, so he's coming in some other class. Okay. Devansh, are you here? Ah, he forgot. Viraj, are you here? Neil, are you here? Guys, what happened to everybody? Neil?
I'm here.
No, Viraj, you're here, I know. Neil is not here. Sarvata is not here. Yana is in here. Deepak, you're in here, right?
Yeah.
David, you're in here, right? Okay, I don't know. Are they traveling? I never got any. I need to know, right, guys? I don't know, guys. Hold on. Why? Okay, that's okay. Let's go ahead. Let me get going. Okay, so you wanted to show me what is in the homework. David, I heard that it was a little tough on you. Was it, David?
Yes, it was like my first time, so I didn't really.
Ratios. Okay, we'll go over it, guys. If that is the case, we'll definitely go over it. Take the time, go back, we will revise and then keep going. There's no need to hurry at all. Okay, let me. Can I share the assignment? You can tell me what was difficult. Each question we can go one by one.
Yeah.
Ratios, right, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I check which question I needed help on?
Absolutely, ma. Absolutely.
But my
We can
camera
do-
turns off for some reason.
Oh, you're in iPad?
Yeah.
That's okay, Anna. In iPad, that happens. I know.
Okay.
Okay. What's up, guys? Go ahead.
I had a question in section C. So
Section C. Section C was the hardest, you know. It really says, right, advanced and challenging. Go ahead.
I understood the concept, but like one of my strategies was wrong. But section C was a bit hard. I do have to admit that.
No problem. Which one? Page number?
Section C, question 1.
Question 1. This one? Christian May.
So my
Okay.
dad said to make ratios equal, we have to do 5 and 5. But I did 7 and 7. But my dad said that also should have been right.
Okay, let's try. Krish and May shared some money. Okay, I'm going to draw Krish. 7 parts, right? Krish has 7 parts. 1, 2, 3. Let's see whether we can solve by this. 4, 5, 6, 7 parts he has. For every 7 part Krish has, May has how many parts? Let me draw it in a different color. So you guys are very clear with what's going on. May has 3 same parts, equal parts. You see, it doesn't differ. You see, it's here. Okay. When Chris gave 24 to May, we cut down 24 from Chris and gave it to May. You see what I mean?
Oh, okay, yeah.
They both had the same amount of money. They both had the same amount of money. So how do I write this? So let me say 7 parts. Can I write it as 7 parts? Meaning instead of writing 7 squares, 7 rectangles, right? I can write it like this still. 7 rectangles. When I cut down 24 of it, what happened here? They both were equal. That means what? Made three rectangles. The rectangles are of the same size, remember?
Yeah.
3 rectangles plus 24. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
David, am I making sense?
It's kind of confusing still.
No. What I'm saying is, see, okay, Chris is given 7 balls. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For every 7 ball Chris has, May has 3. Did you get it?
Yeah.
I'm cutting down. I'm splitting the ball, giving $24. Okay, I'm taking it away from Chris and giving it to May. Now they both are equal. What does it mean? So I can say 7 balls minus 24 will be equal to 3 balls plus 24. Do you guys get it?
Yeah.
So how am I to solve this? Meaning, see, I can't have balls. Balls should be on one side, numbers should be on the other side. So what can I do with this? Can I go ahead? There is a minus 24, right? I'll just do a plus 24 on both sides. So I am being fair. You see, it's like a pan balance equation. When there is an equal to sign, it's like a pan balance two sides. So I have to balance them. So I just add 24 to both sides. This will go. So 7 balls will be equal to 3 balls and 48. Do you guys get it?
I did it a
Like,
way.
so like you have to like for Chris, like each ball he has, May has like 3 times of each ball.
3 parts. Chris
Three
has
parts, yeah.
7 rectangles. Means for every 7 rectangle Chris has, May has 3 rectangles. You get it? Each
Yeah, I'm getting
rectangle
it.
is exactly the same. Each
Oh.
rectangle is exactly the same. Do you see what is going on?
Yeah, I get it now.
I did it a different way though. What I did was I saw that like in the end equation it had to be 5 ratio to 5 because they were equal. So what I did was I took 24 and saw that 24 covered up 2 spots in May's. So that means 24 divided by 2 equals 12. Then 12 times 3 equals 36.
Okay. Can you come again? Meaning, okay. Kabir, can I listen to you? Let me finish this and listen to you.
Yeah.
Okay, let me finish this. So now how am I going to balance this? See, 3 balls on this side, but there are 7 balls on this side. Can I remove 3 balls from each side? Can I remove 3 balls from each side? See, it's like a pan balance. Remember the equation. Whenever you see an equal to sign, it's like a pan balance. You're trying to balance both the sides of the balance. Okay, now I need to take this out. I need to have only number there. If I take this out, I'll be unfair. So I will remove 3 balls from this side. I'll be left with 4 balls. So 4 balls was 48. So each ball was how many dollars?
12.
Yes, 12. So did you see that? Now each ball was $12 means Chris had 7 of those at first. So Chris had this many dollars and May has this many dollars. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't really get it. Like,
Okay, no problem. How about who else is there? Yana, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
How about no? I'm going to give you more questions. I will know. David, how about you? Did you get it? Deepak?
yeah, I got it.
Okay. How are you, David? Not yet?
I need
Not
help in like in section 1, question 3 and 4.
Ma, 1 minute, ma. I'll go there. Kabir, I said I'll hear you, right? Can you go ahead and explain?
So
I will
what
go.
I did was okay. So I saw that one way we can make 7 and so what I did was I found the average of 7 and 3. So I added them both and then I divided it by 2. So the average was 5. So I saw what's the difference between 3 and 5, 2. So then 24 divided by 2 equals 12 and 12 times 3 equals 36.
24?
2 divided by 24 because like see that 24 filled up two slots, so then I did 24 divided by 2, then
24 filled up 2 slots, huh?
yeah,
24 filled up 2 slots.
so I like took away 2 from Chris and filled up 2 for May, so that means it like filled up 2 slots for both of them. So 24 divided by 2, which equals 12, and 12 times 3 36.
Wow, I like that. Good observation.
Thank you.
Very nice. So he had, see, okay, so the way he has gone ahead is he took out 2. See, if I take away 2 parts and add to him, right, he gets 5 parts, he gets equal parts. Do you see? So here he clearly saw that 24 filled up two parts. So if 24 filled up 2 parts, each part was 12. Very nice, Kabir. Very good job. Very good thought, meaning out of the box thinking. Good job. Okay, now some of you didn't get this, right? It's fine. Okay, now let me go from the start. Okay, David, where were we? Where were we stuck? You tell me. And Deepak, you can tell me too. And Devansh, where were you stuck? Where did you get stuck?
I got stuck, like I didn't know how to do the ratio stuff.
You did. Were you there for the last class?
I think
Okay, no problem. Let me go one by one. Which one you got stuck with?
so. Like the ones that were like I got like the first one, but I don't know like those word problems about.
Okay, no problem. Okay, I see, I see. How about you, Deepak? I hear each of you. Go ahead. Deepak, what was it? Oh my God, you're talking on mute. How are we going to hear? We can't hear you.
Mine was also kind of like the word problems. They were kind of
Word
difficult.
problems were hard. Okay. See, guys, one thing, understand, you're all in the beast class. Okay. I want you to do a little challenging problem. I don't want you to do the school-based grade 5, grade 6 problems. That's why I try to give you this. But if it is hard, it's my duty to clarify as well. Okay. Viraj, go ahead, Viraj. What is your thoughts? He has some thoughts. He has his hands raised. Go ahead, Viraj.
Oh, so one, if there's, I don't get it. Like, if there's, in the second one here, there's 36 people. So the total is 36.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, yeah. You've given me you have given me something. I'm going to go ahead and explain that. Okay, what is ratios? Basically, let's say circles. 3 circles, 2 triangles. Here, the ratio of circles to triangles is 3:2. Do you see 3-part circle, 2-part triangle? That's what it means. Now, let's see this. Miss Lim class consists of boys and girls. In the ratio means, see, the order is important. For every 7 boys, there were 5 girls. So let me write it down. For every 7 boys means what? Meaning it's a person. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts. Boys 7. Then girls were, of this 5 were occupied by girls as well. You see? If you increase another, let's say you have another set of 7 boys. What would happen to this? 7 times 2, this will be 14. This will be 5 times 2, 10. Suppose if you have, let's say, 21 boys, girls will be how many? How many girls will be there, Viraj?
If what?
If there are 21 boys, how many girls will be there?
There'll be 15.
Good job. If there are 56 boys, how many girls will be there?
56. 8. 40.
Good job. So you get the concept of ratios. Now let's go ahead and read the problem. If there are 36 pupils in the class, there are 36 pupils in the class. What does it mean? 36 pupil means, see, let's count out the parts. How many parts are there? 7, 5. How many are there? 12. So let me say the total number of boys and girls. Let's say this is the total number of boys and girls. 12 parts, 12 of these rectangles will be equal to 36. So what is the value of each rectangle? What is the value of each rectangle? 12. The total number of people, the total is 36. So here there are 12 rectangles. If 12 rectangles equal to 36, what is each rectangle, Devansh?
Or
What?
12 rectangle value is 36. What is each rectangle? Yes, Kabir.
A equals 3.
3. So each rectangle was 3. So how many total students are there in the class? How many total students are there in the class? 3, 6, 9, 12. This is the number of pupils in the class. So 12 times 3. Do you see 12 times 3? 36 pupils were there in the class. Now, how many boys are there? Who can answer that? How many boys of them? Of the 36, how many boys? David, I know you have your hand raised. I'll come back to you. Yes, Kabir, go ahead.
So my answer in my problem was I think it was 21.
Boys were 21. Good job. That's right. See, because all these rectangle belong to the boys. 7 times 3, 21. Good job.
But I did a completely different way.
What is your way? Go ahead.
So my way was I took the number of ratios 7 plus 5. That equals 12. So then Then I divided 12 by 36, and then I found 3. So it was mostly the same, but my original approach, I'm not very good at drawing, so I just used
No problem. No problem. So these are parts. So 7 parts and 5 parts you added. Okay. Total was 12 parts. 12 parts was 36. So what was each part? Each part was 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So 3, 3, 3 means 7 of those parts are boys. So 7 times 3 is 21. That's good. Okay. Hold on now. Yes, David, I'm prepared to hear you now. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Number C4, it didn't show the ratio.
Yeah, one of them didn't show the ratio at all.
Oh, which one, my number?
C4.
C4. I'm sorry for that. I saw your mother's note, but I forgot of it. Okay. Oh, this one, the ratio of Lisa's savings.
No, I think it was on the top.
Yeah,
Like a little bit, like I think it was in section A.
No, I think everything shows the ratio.
yeah.
No, this one is not appearing. Correct.
Yeah,
Correct, guys. Correct, guys. I apologize. This
I
one did not show
circled
up.
it.
Okay, this one did not show up. Okay, okay, okay. Other than that, okay. David, I'll come back to this. I'll make sure you get this input. Coming to other questions, meaning David, where were the questions confusion? Can you explain to me? Meaning, I want to know where you guys are confused and I will act accordingly. Go ahead, guys. David, what was the next, meaning, where was the next question you had issues with?
Section C2.
Section C. Okay, I should have given you this limbs class. Oh, this is what I gave you. Okay, fourth question was section C. I'm coming, David. 15, 9, 11, guys. This one was 15, 9, 11. David, can you tell me section? Sorry, David.
Section C2.
Section C2.
But that's a triangle and rectangle one.
Yeah, it's okay. We'll deal with it. Section C2. This one, find the ratio of the area of the triangle to the area of the rectangle. Okay, good one, guys. Let's see. This one did not involve much knowledge, but what is the area of this? What is the area of this rectangle, guys? Who can tell me the area of this rectangle? Kabir, I'll give you a turn next time. Wait.
I got it.
Go ahead, Yana.
52.
How did you calculate?
I did 13 times 4.
13 times 4. 52. Good job. What is the area of this triangle? You know what? For the triangle area, this is what you do. What happens? It becomes a rectangle, right? You see, it becomes a rectangle.
So then we divide it by 2.
Exactly. So now what happened here? Meaning, okay, I don't want to put it forward so quickly. So coming to the area of the rectangle, area of the triangle, right? Let me talk to you something about the area of the rectangle. When you think about it, right? If I give you this triangle, right? I give you this triangle. I make it into a rectangle. Do you see? I say this is 5 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter. What you should do to find the area of the rectangle? You should multiply what? This side, and then divide it by 2, right? So the area of the triangle is basically 5 times 4 divided by 2. Base times height. Remember, but one thing which I did not tell you was, even in the last class, you did not know till now. The base and the height are perpendicular. Base and the height of the triangle should be perpendicular. Suppose if I have a triangle like this. Suppose if I have a triangle like this. Here the base is there, but I don't have a height. You go to the opposite vertex. Stand there. Fall down to the earth. This is your height. Don't please take this as your height. This is slanted. Don't take it as the height of the rectangle triangle. When you fall down from the top, whatever is the distance is the height. The base is this. The height is this. You will multiply those two and divide by 2. You got it? Now, with that knowledge, what is the area of this triangle? What is the area of this triangle? Base, height. What is the area of the triangle? Anyone else can try. Devant, you're here with me? I want you to try. Yeah, Yana, go ahead.
5.
How did you calculate?
I did like 5 times 4 and then I got 20.
Where 5? Why 5 times 4? Not this one. This is your triangle. Kabir, you want to try? Go ahead.
So what I did was, okay, so I know the engineering symbols of this like line means the height is going to be the same. So what I did was, so first of all, I saw 4 plus 4 on the top. And then if I made this into a rectangle, and then I saw 4 on the side. So then 8 times 4 is how much? 8, 16, 24, 32. Then I did 32 divided by 2. Then 32 divided by 2 is 16. Now, see what I saw was, well, how do we find the area of the white rectangle? So then, after we find the area of the white rectangle, we'll minus it from the shaded triangle. So then, the area of the white triangle is 4 times 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, divided by 2, because it's not a rectangle. So that equals 8. Now see, 8 out of 8 minus 16 equals 8.
Very nice. Very nice, Kabir. So basically, he did not use any formula at all. Good job. Good thought here. So he did not use any formula. Okay. When you look at this figure, right, you know what you know till now. You don't have to know anything new, correct? This is the area of the rectangle. Very clear. This is the area of the rectangle. What is the area of that big rectangle? 4. And then what is this? This marking shows this is 4, this is 4, this is as well 4. So 4, 4, 8 times 4, 32 centimeter square is the area of the rectangle. But what you need to know? Only the shaded area, right? If you want only the shaded area, what is this? You have to subtract this. And you have to subtract this. Right, guys?
Yes.
So when you want to subtract that, then the area of the triangle comes into picture, basically. So this times this, divide by 2. What is that? 8 times 4, divide by 2. Minus 16 minus?
Minus, I think, we did 32
minus 16 minus 8, because 4 times 4, 16, divide by 2 for this one. This is 8. This is 16. So I'm subtracting both the areas. So answer is 8. Now, the ratio of the area of the triangle is 8 to the area of the rectangle is 52. But you need to simplify. Remember, you simplified ratios. 4 is to 26. 2 is to 13. Did you guys get it? 8 by 32, 52 fraction can be simplified to 2 by 13. Did you guys get it? No? Deepak, where are we, Deepak?
I don't get it.
What is that you don't get it? That's okay. If you don't get it, I am respecting you. Don't worry about it. You
Wait.
didn't get it. Go ahead.
Like,
You don't get what is happening at all, right?
yeah.
No problem. I'll help you. Okay. David, how about you? Did you get it?
Kinda.
Okay, let me do one thing, guys. Okay. I'm going to stop this completely. Okay, let me move on to something exciting, interesting. Wait. Yeah, 1 minute. What I want to do is, I don't want to move on at all. I feel like you guys did not understand the concept of ratios. Wait, ma. I want to go down a little bit, okay? I really want you guys to understand and then only we move on. It's okay. If I don't finish, it doesn't matter to me. Ratio. I'm going to get down a little bit, okay? We are going to drill down a little bit, okay? One by one. Okay, guys? I'm going to ask you questions. You're going to keep answering. This one, you know, I will not ask you questions which are too difficult for you. But at the same time, you should cooperate. Raise up, meaning raise your hand and let me know the answers as well. Okay, that way we keep going. We will maintain the pace. I'll help you understand 100%. Hold on.
Should we submit the answer in the chat?
Oh, that's a good idea. That's a good idea, so that I will know, right? Yeah, that's a good idea, I feel. Hold on. Hold on. I'm going to bring, different various ways of looking at ratios. First, I want you to understand. I don't think we are there at all. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, now I have three types of question for which I need answers. Okay, let's go over. Okay, now, okay, in this class, right, the class that's happening, okay, there are 14 boys, okay, and 7 girls. 14 boys and 7 girls. What is the ratio of boys to girls, Deepak? What is the ratio of boys to girls?
14-7.
But you cannot say that. I want it to be simplified. I cannot.
Oh, simplified. Okay.
No,
Okay.
I cannot accept things where you don't simplify.
Wait.
Good job, Yana. You can send it in chat, all of you.
4, 7, 7.
14 boys, 7 girls. Good job, Viraj. 14 boys, 7 girls. What is the ratio of boys to girls? Kabir, 14 boys, 7 girls. Ratio of boys to girls.
Sorry, I mistyped.
Okay. David, are you with me? Deepak, are you with me?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. 14 boys, 7 girls. It's like a fraction. Simplify the fraction. Reduce the fraction. 14 by 7, right? How will you simplify?
Miss Priya, can I go to the restroom?
Yeah, go and come back quickly, ma. David, can I get your answer or we are not there?
I'm almost done.
Oh, okay. No problem. Devansh, what happened with your answers?
Huh?
What happened with your questions? Meaning, what happened to your answer? I'm waiting, right?
Like, I don't get the ratios really much.
Ratio is just a fraction. Okay. Ratio is just a, okay. You didn't see, Devansh, are you listening? Meaning, see, at some point, I feel like you should be able to get it and you have to be attentive too. Okay. At some point, I'll press you on that. Meaning, you cannot keep on saying, hey, I didn't understand. No, there is some meaning. I'm just telling you fractions. I'm saying they're just fractions, right? So what is the ratio of circles to moons? What part is circles? What part is moon? Devansh, you're going to answer this.
Okay. 11 and out of
Please.
11.
I don't want you to answer like this. Will you answer 11 by 11, Devansh, as a fraction?
Isn't that a fraction though?
It is a fraction, right? You can't say 11 by 11. You have to simplify and let me know.
Oh, so then 1, like 1.
1:1. So they're asking for circles to moon, right? Deepak, I want you to listen really. Circles is 11, moons is 11. So I have to either write 11 by 11 or 11 is to 11 or 11 to 11. These three are the different ways of writing ratios. But nobody will accept me if I send this. So you should either send 1 by 1 or 1 is to 1 or 1 to 1. Any questions? Okay. Okay. Next question. What is the ratio of stars to triangles? I would like it to be a little quick, guys, okay? We are going from scratch. What is the ratio of stars to triangles?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Or wait, should I
Please
send it in chat?
send in chat. Send in chat, ma, so that I will know, right? Send in chat. Good job. Good job. Now let me ask you this. Yana, that's not correct. If I ask you ratio of triangles to stars, the order is very important. Triangles to stars means what will you answer?
Would it be the opposite?
Good, it is the opposite. Good job. So stars to triangle was star was 4, triangles was 11. So the order is stars first, triangles next. I asked triangle to star, so that's 11 is to 4. You guys got it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now let's go ahead a little bit and ask you this one. Deepak, you're not answering, then I'll not bother.
Can I sharpen my pencil?
You can, but you should have done it all this before the class, and I expect answers in class. If you keep quiet, I'll talk to your parents. I don't want to continue classes if there is no answers from you after asking so many times. Viraj, where is your answer? Did you send? Yes.
Yeah.
Viraj, you didn't send for this one, remember?
Me?
Yeah, I didn't see.
Wait, no, I was in the restroom. Right?
Okay, no problem. Go ahead. At the thrift store, for every 3 long sleeve shirts, there were 2 short sleeve shirts. What is the ratio of long sleeve to short sleeve shirts? We're going from the scratch, so I would want everybody to answer, make a difference in class. I want everybody to understand what we are dealing with. Good job, Viraj. Yana, good job. Devansh, how did you answer? Kabir, correct. David, correct. Devansh, can you explain to me how you got your answer?
I sent another answer.
Correct, but why did you make it a 6 and 3? There's only 3 and 2, right?
Yeah, because at first I was thinking of the reason why I did that is because I was thinking of 4 and 2 for a sec.
No, right. 3 and 2 is given. I said you need to simplify anything, you said it to me, right, Devansh?
Yeah.
You didn't simplify. I'm so sorry. Next time, will you simplify for me? Will you simplify next time? Do you get it, Devansh? Will you simplify, ma?
Yeah.
Yeah, I really want you to send the simplified answer. That is quite important too, when you think about it. Okay, now let's move on to the hard one. How about this? Okay, I want you to tell me about this. What is this, guys? Okay, can you simplify this ratio and tell me what is the simplified ratio? This is an easy one. What is the simplified ratio for the one shown on screen? What is the simplified ratio for the one shown on screen? You can be quick. It helps me a lot. If it's
Right.
taking time, you can tell me, Auntie, it is taking time. I'll be fine.
My answer.
Let's send it to in chat, Amma. Good job, guys. All of you are getting it. Yana, why, ma? What is that? That is simply, hey, Viraj, that is simplifiable still. Yana and Viraj, it is still simplifiable. Both are divisible by?
Oh, sorry.
That's okay, ma. Doesn't matter. You just learn. Kabir got it, right? Yana, you have to send it to me again. Viraj, can you simplify that further and send?
Yeah, I just realized it.
Okay, no problem. David, did you answer, David? Good job. You understood till here, David, Deepak, Devansh?
I feel like we're understanding how like the ratios work, but like in the word problem, what we're not understanding is like what to do, because we understand like how to simplify and stuff, but like mainly the analyzation of the problem and the process of solving.
Very nicely said. Yes, I see it. Okay, hold on. I'll go there slowly. Next problem coming here on the board.
Wait,
We'll
what's
go
that?
step by step, okay? I'm scratching the surface because Kabir, not everybody understood even what is ratio. You see what I mean?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so I will cater to everybody. So we'll go step by step and we will get there to those right word problems that we missed, okay? But clear explanation. I really liked it. Yeah, go ahead. A recipe called for the ratio of, see, sugar. Suppose, what is it saying? The word problem is saying sugar, if I want to add 4 cups, right? Flour, I will add 1 cup. The cups are of the same size. Remember, the cups that I'm using is of the same size. Okay. I am using 28 cups. Don't worry about ounce or cups. I am using 28 ounce of sugar. How many ounce would I need to, flour do I need to use? For
Do I
every
shout
4
out? Do we
cups,
shout
I
out?
use, huh?
Do we shout out or just chat?
Just say it in chat. I want to see how many of you understand. See, for every 4 cups of sugar, I use 1 cup of flour. That is the logic given. Then, if I somehow this became 28, see, the same multiplier will apply here. Viraj, Devansh, good job.
Wait, was my second answer for last problem correct?
Yes, Viraj. Thank you for checking. Devansh and Viraj, correct. Yana, think about it, ma. I am giving 4 cups of sugar for every 1 cup of flour. Okay. Now, what I'm saying is, for every 4 cups of sugar, 4 rectangles of sugar, I will consume 1 cup of flour. You see, now there were 28 ounces of sugar. This was 28 in total. So each rectangle was how much, Yana? Each rectangle was?
Do I say it out loud?
Yeah, say it out loud.
7.
Each rectangle was 7, right? Now I'm asking, so 28 ounces of sugar was used, right? How many 28 ounces of sugar was used? So how many ounces of flour was used?
Oh.
You get it?
Yeah, I get it.
So make them into parts. Ratio is nothing but 4 parts of sugar and 1 part of flour. That's what I drew here. Okay, part means it need not be 1 ounce. It can be more. It can be just rectangles. Okay, we don't know what is contained in those rectangles. They're saying 28 in total means split it. Then you get what is each part. So if they're using 28 ounce in total, what is it? Yes, Viraj, what is your question?
No, so what I did was like I just saw how much 428 and that's 7 and I got my answer because like
Good job. So 4 was multiplied by 7 to get a 28. So 1 should be multiplied by 7 to get the amount of flour.
yeah.
David, am I with you? Deepak, am I with you? I didn't get answers from both of you.
No, I sent my answer.
You sent your answer. Sorry then, wait. I did not see honestly. No. You did not answer the question, right? How many ounces of flour would you need? That's all the question was. You have to answer the question, not whatever you want. Tiana, the question was how many ounces of flour? Yes, Deepak, now you gave the answer. David, can I help you?
What?
Can I help you or you understood?
I understood. At the start, I didn't really get it.
What is it?
You didn't understand.
At the start, I didn't understood, but now I understand.
Oh, I see. Let's see. Let me work on more problems. Let me see. We'll slowly go, guys. Okay. Let me see. I'll give you in another way. Okay. How about this? Okay. How about this? Okay. Yana, if the rectangle picture gels well with you, go ahead with it. See, each of our brains can think in different ways. Okay. Let's see. At a bake sale, there were 48 raisin cookies sold. The ratio of raisin cookies sold to oatmeal cookies was 8:5. You want to draw the rectangles? Try drawing rectangles. I will help you. Can I help you in this? I think I'll help you in this. Okay. 2-3 more problems. I think I'll help you. So now there were 48 raisin cookies sold. First, let me write down this. Raisin. The other one was oatmeal. Okay. Raisin cookies was, what are they saying? See, the order is important. 8 parts. 1, 2. The parts are all equal. Remember, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. This was 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Okay, they are equal. Please, the parts, each part is equal. Now, they're saying 48 raisin cookies were sold. So let me put down this as 48 in total. If 48 is the total, what is the value of each rectangle? 48 is split into 8, right? So each of them was 6. The parts are all equal, I said. Now you know how many cookies were even sold. 48 raisin cookies were sold. How many oatmeal cookies were sold? Yes, Viraj, go ahead.
How many raisin cookies? 30.
How many oatmeal cookies were sold?
Oh yeah, oatmeal 30.
30?
Yeah.
30. Good job. 30. Why?
Because 48 like 8 divided by 48 is 6, so like 6 times 5 is 30.
Good job. So 6 was occupied in each rectangle. So 6 times 6 is 36. If this was 48, this was 30. Now, who did not get this?
I did it in my journal just now. That's why I
Go to
okay.
the restroom, Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma, go and come back, Devansh. Deepak and David, did you understand this?
Yes.
Understood.
Deepak, how about you?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Let's see. Now let's go ahead with one more. I will explain 1 or 2 more, guys, okay? And then only I'm going to let you do some, okay?
Our teacher tells us if we're having trouble with the problem, go on the side and write down what you're supposed to do in the problem. Just analyze the operations and then do it.
I like that. I like that suggestion. In one day, a movie store rented 6 comedies. Let me write down, as he said, right? Ratio of comedies rented to action movies. Comedy was 3 parts. Action movies was 1 part. What are they saying now? The number was 6. So this was fully 6. That means I always want to try to fill in the rectangle. The rectangle each will be 2, 2, 2, 2. Now tell me how many how many action movies were rented to? Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Viraj, go ahead. Go ahead with your question.
So I thought like 6 comedy movies, so like 6 comedy movies. Yeah, wait. Actually never mind.
You got it?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, now let me give you a different one. Okay, how about this? See guys, basically what I wanted to know. Okay. Okay, let me ask you this in a different way. Okay, this is my question. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm shading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what I'm asking is, I should not have shaded it like this for me to make you understand. Okay, let's say when you look at it, right? When you look at this figure, right? What is the fraction of shaded squares to unshaded squares? What is the fraction of shaded parts to unshaded parts? Can you tell me? That is the ratio. What is the fraction? 5 by 20.
5 by 20.
Which is 1 by 4 or 1:4? Right, guys?
Is it
So,
25, Miss Priya?
what? Huh?
Like, because there's 25 boxes and all in the
25. I'm
square.
sorry. Yeah, but unshaded I gave you. Shaded by
Oh.
unshaded. So it was 20. If it was total, it would have been 5 by 25. Got it? Okay. Now the ratio of shaded to unshaded is 1:4. Okay. Suppose there are suppose there are 10 shaded. Suppose there are, instead of the 1, there are 10 shaded rectangles. How many unshaded rectangles will be there? See, it is just like finding equivalent fractions. 1 by 4 becomes 10. What happens to the unshaded?
It becomes 15, I think. Because if you do the 10 minus, if 25 minus 10, it would be 15.
1 for every 1 for every 4. So there are 10 shaded now. So what happens?
I think
there would be 15 unshaded, right?
wait, is our total 25?
See, I don't want a total 25. That's what I'm saying. So let me erase this off.
Oh, okay. Then
now there are, see, 1:4. For every 1 shaded, there are 4 unshaded. Now I am asking, there are 10 shaded rectangles. How many unshaded do you expect? There are 10 equivalent fraction, guys. Equivalent.
I got it. Is
40.
it 10 out of 40?
40. See, you're finding equivalent fractions. That's all. You got it? Deepak, are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see this one. Now I'm going to put up questions for you, basic problems for you. Let's see. I thought, okay, let's see. I'll try to make it easier. Let's see. How about this? How about this? I really want the answer from each of you in chat. If you don't know, you don't know. Okay, go ahead. If you don't know, I completely accept it, but please send in some answers. Don't keep quiet in the class. It doesn't work.
Just play.
Accidentally did a typo. Accidentally
No problem. You can send it to me again.
Is mine right?
Chess player won 32 of the games. Okay. If his ratio to win to losses was 32. Okay, Deepak, that's right. Deepak, that's right. Are you answering the question, Deepak?
My bad.
See, that's what reading the question is so important.
Is my answer correct?
Correct, Deepak. Yana, correct. Viraj, correct. Devansh, correct. Deepak, correct. Kabir, where is your answer, Kabir?
I submitted it.
Wait, did you say mine was correct or wrong?
Yes, yes. Kabir, sorry, Kabir. You submitted it. I saw. Okay. David, see here, David. I'm going to explain this and then only go. A chess player won 32 of the games he played. Okay. So let me write it down. What are the ones that are given ratios? 1 to loss, right? There are 8 games that he won. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 3 that he lost. Let's say 3. For every 8 he won, he lost 3. Okay, tomorrow if I come and say this is 16, then this becomes what, David? So 8 by 3, 1 by loss. Tomorrow if I say he won 16, how many will he lose? David, I want your answer.
6.
6. See, you're finding equivalent fractions, right? So here what happens? If his ratio of wins to losses is 8 by 3 and he won 32 games, he won 32 games. How many games did he lose?
12.
12. So how many total games did he play?
44.
44. That's it. Good job, guys. Okay. Now let me go ahead and ask you more questions. See, but I'm not going. Okay. Okay, let's see this one. This is the last one, okay, of this type. Okay, I really want to move on. Okay, we are still scratching the surface. Go ahead. How about that? You're going to let me know where we are. Send it to me in chat. Everybody should answer correctly. This one is what I am expecting. Let me see.
Is my answer correct, Miss Priya?
I'm going to check. Everybody, whoever answered, got it. Want me to shout out Viraj, Devansh, Deepak, Kabir? You got it. Yeah, na, correct. Ma. Okay, I'm waiting for David's answer. Okay, those of you who have done, right, I have a different way of thinking now. David, can I get your answer? David, if you didn't get it, you didn't get it. I have to accept it whatsoever.
I didn't get it.
Okay. The ratio of red cars to blue cars, red by blue, will be 4 by 3. So there were 20 red cars. I'm finding the equivalent fraction. If there were 20 red cars, how many blue cars were there, David? What you do here, right?
10.
These were the red cars, okay? For every red, there were 3 blue. Now, for some reason, the red car became 20. Another set of 4 was added. Here, another set of blue was added. Another set of red was added. Another set of blue was added. Another set of red was added. Another set of blue was added. So this became 16. This became
15.
15. That's what it is. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now this one, I want to show you another way of looking at this ratios, okay? At a school fundraiser, for every 6 boxes of chocolate sold, you earn 4 points. Boxes, points. See here, guys. This is a different perception of looking at it, okay? 2 lines, okay? Double bars. Now, you have 0, you have 6, then you have 12, right? Then you have 18, then you have 24. So it goes like this. But you earn 4 points. 0 boxes, 0 points. But 6 boxes, 4 points. And then what? This is 8, 12, 16. Now draw a line. So these all. So what does it mean? For every 6 box, he earns 4 points. So if he sells 24 boxes, he earns 16 points. Do you guys get it?
Yeah, so basically,
Count the multiples of boxes for this, count the multiples of points. They will, meaning you will have to match up. David, is this better? The double bars?
Yes, this is way better.
Yeah, you can do that. You can write the multiples of one, multiples of the other, and then you can start answering as well. Okay, now let me ask you this one. Probably this one. This is the last question, guys. You have to send the answer, and I'm done. I want to move on. How about this?
wait, move on from ratios?
Move on with ratios. We are only scratching the surface, Amma, still, but we will.
Oh, I thought you meant move on from ratios and go on to another concept.
No. Ratios, no. We have not even gone to the word problems, right?
Is my answer correct?
Is your answer correct? I can check. Amma. Wait. Everybody got it right. Good job, Deepak, Devansh, Kabir. Very nice. I'm waiting for the rest of you.
Is mine right?
I'm waiting for the rest of you. Viraj and Yana, is that correct? Let me check. Looks like you doubled somehow. Can you check? A builder could get 2 sheets of sheetrock for $9. If he bought 20 sheets, how much? Can you reach the answer, Yana? Yana and Viraj.
Yeah.
Yana and Viraj. Can you please recheck? Ah. Viraj, that's correct. David, can you calculate once more? Yana, how did you get that 180, ma? Doesn't seem correct to me.
I figured out my mistake.
I still didn't get it.
Still didn't get it. Okay.
Oh, Miss Priya, I figured out my mistake because like I thought the 2 was a 1 and then I did it turned into 180.
That's nice. So bed sheetrock. I will write the sheetrock, right? If the double bar is easy, follow that. Okay. 2 sheets of sheetrock. 2 sheets, right? And then money in dollars. I'll draw a double bar. Now 0 starts with a 0, right? After that, 2 sheets. Then it goes by 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So I go every hop, right? Now I draw the bar, right? This will go like how? 9, 9, 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 6 9s are 54, right? Now they're asking 20 sheets. This goes till 20. How to calculate that? So hard. What can I do from this? Let me see. From this, I multiply by 10. So whatever I have here, I'm going to multiply by 10. Does it make sense, David?
Can I
Yeah, go ahead.
share a method how I did it?
Go ahead, Devansh.
So I first divided 20 by 2 and got 10, and then I just did 9 times the 10.
I really like that.
Same here. That's what I do for every
So
question.
from here, 20. So 20 was the one you don't know, right? 20, you divide by 10 to come to a 2. Okay. And then, so 20 you divided by 10 to come to a 2. So now, same thing here, 9 you multiply by 10 to come to that value. That also makes sense. Can I move on? I'll stop here.
How is dividing different? Because you're doing dividing, you're just doing it in an expanded form.
What is that?
How is dividing 2 by 20 any different from what you're doing? Like dividing 2 by 20 plain may be a bit more efficient, but you're still dividing 2 by 20, you're just doing it in expanded form.
Sorry, I didn't get you, Kabir.
So basically, what the number line or the double bar is basically dividing 2 by 20, except it's doing it in a bit more like counting way.
Correct, I agree. Okay. Can I stop here now? Ratios are a little bit better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll give you easy homework for this week, but I want you to get the concept of ratios quickly. Okay. Next week, we'll continue ratios only. Okay. Ratio and rates. This is rate. So for every two sheets of sheetrock, $9 is given. So if 10 sheets of sheetrock is bought, then I would spend $45. So this is basically rates. Rates means for every 2, I'm spending 9. So if it is 10, it will be $45. This is also rate and ratios. The concept comes in 6th grade, but you need to learn, guys, if you want to take the CB and stuff. It's a little challenging. We'll get there, okay? Okay, guys. See you all next week. If you don't have any questions, we'll stop. But then ratio homework, I will come down and give a different set of homework, okay?
Bye. Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
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 Bye. Bye, David.
Where's the leave button again?
What's that?
Oh, found it. I was looking for the leave button.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Hi, Anand. Hi, Pritika.